Welcome to the Den of Tools.
Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old Den of Tools. And today we got those flex tools in the house. As you know, we got the Circson, we got the Recip, we got the Impact, and we got the grinder. Today we're going to put that grinder to the test. So what I did was I got my paws on some railway. Now I got a guy who gets this stuff locally out in the desert. It's off of his work site, and so don't worry, it's perfectly legit. We're not swiping anybody's railway. This is old stuff, hardened steel, super hard kind of stuff. All right, seasoned in the sun. This stuff is going to put this thing to the test and see if it can make it through. Maybe we can see if we can let the smoke out. Right? Okay. So we got the Flex paddle switch 5-inch grinder. All right. This thing, I gotta tell you, I showcased it the other day. I like the feel, I like the look, I like the features, but let's see if it can grind. By the way, if you're on headphones, we don't turn the volume down on this, but we do give you a warning. So you might want to take those off, turn the volume down, because we're going to be grinding. Okay, the first set is going to be, the first cut, it's like about a minute, it's going to be at regular speed. Then we're going to speed it up to about 5x speed, then we'll slow it down at the end. Anyway, let's take a look at it. Well, there you go. What'd you think of it? Did it stand up? I was pretty impressed, man. That tool got hot. We're out here in the Vegas sun. Not as hot as it could be on some days. I think we're in the mid 80s here today. But that sun doesn't care what the temperature is. It's still going to bake into you. And we put that thing to test. The batteries were hot when we were done. The tool was hot when we were done, but it still wanted more. It was still chugging just fine. And we put some work on it there. So remember, these tools are only available at Lowe's. So if you're interested in the Flex line, you're going to have to go to Lowe's for them. So go ahead, go over there and check them out. But real quick here, I'm going to jump over to the Flex. This is flexpowertools.com, talking about their website here. Here's the 5-inch variable speed angle grinder with paddle switch. We're talking about the FX31718-1C. Anyway, I just wanted to show you some of the stuff that comes. There's the main page, tells you all the great stuff, but some of the tech that's in this. First of all, the computer chips they got, the talk between the battery and the tool, those are really smart. The kickoff switch that turns it off so you don't wrench it right out of your hands. Gotta love that. That actually saved me a few times on this with this little project. But the batteries, man, the batteries are where it's at. We talked about the base battery in there. They got the intelligent processor, they got the cooling tech, they got the Thermatech heat management, trademark, okay, built to last. These guys have been building batteries for a long time. Drop resistant design. I know that they've got enhanced contacts there that they've made extra connections for them so they don't break easily if you drop them. There's more space in there for shock absorption. Remember, so these guys have been doing it almost as long as Milwaukee and Makita, which were the first ones in the lithium ion. And they were the first ones, I think, really to push the boundaries, because they were the guys behind Ego doing pushing the battery tech there. This is what they do. This is their bailiwick, is batteries. Okay. The other thing I want to talk about is, manual parts and design here. So we go over here. If you want to find it, you go here, you click in there, click paste, boom, there it is. Finds it right there. We can see the manual. It's going to download that. Let's see if I can show that to you here. Oh, open that. Hey, there we go. Look, here we got the manual. We can go through this real quick. The reason I'm including this is a professional level tool. People are always saying, well, I want to find out, all the information about it. Well, these manuals are fairly comprehensive. Of course, when to wear eye protection, I did wear eye protection. Always operate with two hands. Apparently paws aren't good enough for him. Remember, those were safety Crocs Jeff was wearing in though, okay? He always wears the safety Crocs. All right. Here we got a breakdown, spindle lock, blah, blah, backing flange, all that good stuff. The wrench on it. I do think don't want to call it a fail because it's such new technology. And saying that they didn't go with the X-Lock system isn't exactly a fail because it's not a proven system. It hasn't been out long enough, but boy, I wish they jumped on that bandwagon. That would have been nice. I hate using those wrenches. I really am excited about the X-Lock system, but who knows? Maybe in the next iteration or so. Battery release ribs. Anyway, I'm just skipping through here so we can see how you can take the little vent screens out for cleaning and whatnot. You get the side handle. Do this, don't do that. Anyway, it's a long man, and it comes in multiple languages, so you can practice your Spanish and your French. Yeah, it's all the same thing. Anyway, I want to go over here. Please check back soon. So this is the trying to register. Okay, this is a fail. I'm gonna call you out on this, Flex, and I'm sorry. You're nice guys. Guys, to full disclosure, they sent me these tools. I've had a phone chat with them. Talked to some of the big wigs over there. They're great guys. They love tools. Trust me. When I can sit down for an hour or so and just geek out about tools with somebody, talking the tech and all that, that's a great time. These are good guys. But this is launch error. I've launched products before. I've been on that side of the desk. It sucks, but this is not how you do it. Now, they do have a phone number you can call. Let's talk about that phone number, shall we? Because that is something special. I just called it to test it out, but I'm going to call it again here. What do we got here? We got 833-853-9496. Whoops, not that one. 9496. It's hard to do with claws, man. It makes it all difficult.
Thank you for calling customer support for Flex. It's what's next. Please be sure to have your tools nearby for troubleshooting and registration purposes. For quality purposes, this call may be monitored or recorded.
Oh my gosh! Why does it sound like she's talking through a potato? What is going on here? The 70s calling here? Oh my gosh, that hold music. That hold music makes me want to scrub my eyes with a porcupine. All right, I won't put you through any more of that. That was terrible. Who recorded that? I mean, her voice was fine, but it sounds like you recorded it on was it like a PC microphone from the 80s? Oh, that was painful. And this is the third time I've now called. They all sound like that. I realize it's not a big deal, and I'm picking on him here. I get it. I'm picking. I'm not being. There's more important. The tools are the more important thing, right? Let's focus on the tools. Anyway, for service, if you're looking for a service center, they have a page for that. They say, please call Flex customer support, though, before contacting a service center. I guess they're trying to figure out if they can basically reach out to you ahead of time, which is good because they told me flat out, they want to be a service-first customer company, and I'm excited to see that happen. All right. Now, also, don't forget, you can go over to flexpowertools.com/faceoff-post, and you can enter to win a Ford something or other, a Ford F-150. Apparently, I can't win something about bears not being allowed. I think it's ridiculous. I think it's bearist. If you're upset, you should tell them that the bear should win. Anyway, you go over there and you enter. I want to see I really do want to see one of you guys and gals. Want to see you in this truck, because let's see if we can do it. Let's flood them with Den of Tools members and see if we can win one. All right, do one for the team. Anyway, there you go. That's the tool of the day. Remember, again, it's only at Lowe's. You got to go check them out. Some of the stores have them in stock. Some of them not yet. My local store says it's 3 to 5 days that they should have them in stock. Anyway, this is a launch that I'm excited about. Don't forget to, go down there and hit the old subscribe and ring the bell, because you're going to see what's coming next. We've got that railroad tie still, right? I got a recip saw, and a bunch of you saw my rant about that other place. Some of you were nice enough to reach out. You got your paws on that blade, and you're overnighting it to me some cases. So we're going to see if we can let the smoke out on that recip. We're going to go to town. Then we're going to go at it with the circ saw, and then the impact. Let me know if there's any other tests you want me to put these things through. Put it down in the comments below. Let me think, what do you think about this thing? Did I do a tough enough test on it? Was I too easy on it? Let me know down below in the comments. Anyway, that's all we got. You guys are great. I love doing this stuff for you. Hopefully we can do more pause on kind of stuff. Anyway, till next time, you all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.